Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the video, நம்ம எப்பவும் போல job openings தான் பார்க்க போறோம், but in a different way. So we are going to see based on the locations, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore இந்த மாதிரி different locationsல என்னென்ன openings இருக்கு and எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் opening இருக்கு, LinkedIn, Cutshot. So இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய websites இருக்கு. So we are going to see even though in the website as well as in the other platforms too. Let's quickly get into the video. The first opening is from Rupee Card. So they have their opening posted on UXY internship in Bangalore, in LinkedIn as well as in the Boost grade, and they're giving the internship stipend up to 10,000 to 15,000 per month, and they have two openings. And next one is roadco.com. So they also have their openings posted on Glassdoor. It's for UXY designer internship. You can give the person information, contact information, and also posted on Simply Hired. They are giving the internship stipend as 6,000 to 7,500 per month. It has been posted 7 days ago, so do a quick apply. And it has been posted also on Job Rapido as well as on trabajo.org. Make sure that you create your profiles before applying through these platforms. And the next one is biosciency.com careers. So even they have the opening, and they have posted their job openings on What Jobs and also on a2aoptima.com. So next opening is from here. They have posted their job opening on LinkedIn. So it has posted 6 days ago. Already they have a number of applicants, so make sure that you do apply soon. They have posted their job opening on Job Rapido, and the next opening is from neurobit.com. It has been posted on Cutshot, and they are giving the stipend around 16,000 to 20,000 per month. And the next opening is from dotstudio.in. They have their internship posted on Internshala. They're giving around 8,000 per month, and we need to apply it by 2nd May. So today is the last date maybe. And it has been also posted on LinkedIn. You can check it out. And also it has been posted on Postgrade, so they are giving around 8,000 per month as a stipend, and on BB and on Job Rapido as well as on trabajo.com. Yeah, that's all for Bangalore openings. And the next is from Chennai. They have the openings at Regami, and it has been posted on Simply Hired. They're giving the stipend around 5,000 to 10,000 per month. And next one is Empirigo. The next is decreep.nuts. They have their openings posted on freshersworld.com. They didn't disclose the salary. And the next is from Bytes Flow Technologies. They have their openings posted on shine.com. And the next is Talent Compass. They have it posted on Job Rapido and What Jobs. And the next one is cybermindworks.com. They have it posted on Founded, also on shine.com, and it has been posted also on Jubal, also on talent.com. That's all from Chennai. Next is from Hyderabad. So they have their opening on Real. It has been posted on Cutshot, also in adzuna.in. And next one is from Techo Solution. They have their opening posted on LinkedIn 4 days ago, and also on IT bots. End date to apply is May 27, 2024. So make sure that you apply within that. And the next one is picktime.com. They have their openings posted on shine.com. It's a 3-month internship. The next one is Math School. They have the openings in shine.com. And the next one is Bots Fusion AI. They have their openings on LinkedIn and also on Internshala. Apply date is 2nd May again. Stipend is 2,000 to 5,000 per month, and it has been posted on trabajo.org. That's all from Hyderabad. Next openings are from Pune. So the first one is Zoopstack. They have their opening posted on Cutshot. They are giving around 2L to 3L per year, and it's a remote from Pune. Remote job, and it has been posted on linkedin.com as well. So the next two openings, Engineers Cradle. They have their opening posted on Internshala. They are giving stipend of 5,000 per month, and it's just you have to apply by 11th May. And it's also posted on LinkedIn as well as on DV, and also on Job Rapido, and also on trabajo.org. And the next one is cloudredex.com, and it has been posted on Glassdoor. So they are expecting the experience around 0 to 1 years, and also they are posted on Simply Hired. So their estimated salary comes around 2.28 lakhs per annum. They have posted it on Job Rapido, and the next company is pixel6.co, and they have their openings posted on LinkedIn. And the next one is Metamorphosis. They have their opening posted on LinkedIn. In Boostgrad, they have posted 15K per month, and they have two openings. And the next one is Data Stack. They have their openings posted on freshersworld.com. So they are expecting a Bachelor of Design Education qualification. That is all for Pune openings. Hope this will be helpful for the people who are currently at Pune or who wants to get a job at Pune.
Hope this video was helpful. நிறைய பேர் வந்து different லொக்கேஷன்ஸில் எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கிற ஓப்பனிங்ஸ் கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. அவங்களுக்கும் அந்த வீடியோ ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.